Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set note sort check items to manually or automatically on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Notes. Next, we go down and in here, go to the viewing section and tap on sort check items. Now in here, you can choose manually or automatically. If you select automatically, then the phone will automatically move checklist items to the bottom of the list as they are checked. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.